Welcome to Chris's Corner. This is Chris with Craft Closet. Today we are going to be working with 1/16 inch acrylic. At Craft Closet we sell lots of 1/16 inch mirror acrylics. All of our 16th inch mirror acrylics can be engraved this way except for the monochrome mirror. This acrylic is colored all the way through, unlike our other mirror acrylics, so engraving from the back will not show through. On the monochrome acrylic, only engrave from the front side. Today we are going to show you how to make finished looking projects. First, the basics. You can engrave or score mirror acrylic from front or the back of the sheet. If you engrave from the front of the sheet, it gives it a 3D frosted look. If you engrave from the back, it gives it a clean, polished look. When engraving mirror acrylics, always engrave first and cut last. For today's project, we are going to make these cute St. Patrick's Day hat earrings. We are going to make 2 sets of these so that we can glue them together and have a finished look on both sides. This works very well with 1/16 inch acrylic because the finished earrings will only be 1/8 inch thick. The file for this project can be found on our website or in our Facebook group. Glue forward settings for engraving are 500 speed, 80% power. The cut settings are 220 speed, full power. Set the focus at 0.08 inches. When I engrave and cut mirror, I usually leave the masking on the mirror side, and then I turn it over and cut with the mirror side down on the laser bed. I am going to cut 2 of each piece so that when I put them together I can glue the back to the front and have perfectly finished earrings, but still only have the earrings at 1/8 inch. I didn't engrave on these, but if I did, and I engraved both sides, I'd probably paint the engraved on the back of the mirror before I glued them together so that only one side showed through. To finish off this project, I'm going to attach a jump ring to the bottom of the hat and then attach the fallen shamrocks to the jump ring. I will also attach an earring finding to the top. It's that easy to make a project that is finished perfectly on both sides. If you make this project or any project with Craft Closet materials, make sure to tag us on social media at Craft Closet Supply. I'm Chris with Craft Closet. Thanks for watching.